guys raised $7,875. $10,640.
$12,900.
Dang.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie. If you guys are new here, that's who I am. If you're not, welcome back. I've missed you. You are watching 12 DIYs of Giveaways, which is my annual fundraiser for Christ Hope International. We have been able to raise over $30,000 for them, and I am so excited to see what we can add to that number this year. For the next 12 days, we're going to be doing gift ideas. Let's get going on some gift ideas for your loved one.
All right, let's talk about some gift ideas for her. What will she like? First thing is a spa set, pairing her favorite things together. Things like super nice moisturizers, super nice shaving creams, a crew neck pajama set. This year I'm actually going to be doing Bella Canvas crews because they're just so comfortable. Matching pajamas, so then you can have the crew for like the daytime and then the pajamas for the nighttime, and then it's kind of cozy all the time. Like, you could do it with friends, you could do it with your sisters, with your cousins, with whoever, and they have different colors too. And if you didn't know, Bella Canvas actually just launched a whole site that anybody can shop from. You don't even have to have a wholesale license anymore to shop from them. So you can DIY your friends, your family, all the things, their cute crews. A camera or a camera bag or both, or a camera strap. Amazon has some super cute camera bags, and I love my camera, and carrying it around can be so much more fun if I have a cute bag to put it in. Heat transfer vinyl onto the camera bag, and you can heat transfer vinyl onto the camera strap if you're just getting like accessories for somebody who loves their camera. Ion hair dryer or the Shark hair dryer. I'm obsessed with mine right now. I'm trying not to use so much heat on my hair, and if you guys watch my TikTok, you'll see that I did my color myself, and I have this new fancy way to not use so much bleaching or heat. So the Shark is like the Dyson, but the Dyson is way too overpriced. Like, I could not get my mind around it. So I got the Ion, a beach bag, and you can add her name to it, and you can put cute things inside of it. I have a video on baskets, and a beach bag is one of them, but making a cute beach bag that has her name or something that she loves on the outside of it. A flight trier and coffee. That's what I put. A flight cup thingy, and then like cute coffee recipes that you could try out. I know like flights are super fun for the guys to do, like beer, and you might like it if you're a woman too, but we have this place around here called Apple Hill, and they just started doing these appley coffee flights, and you can go up with your friends and like try all the different coffees. Wine bag, and you can add their name, or you can heat transfer vinyl on that. A cinch and all the accessories. This is another thing that took me a while to purchase because I just don't like spending that much money on myself, but I got the cinch mini and I do love it. And if you have a woman in your life that loves to plan or loves to scrapbook or keep documents, I think the cinch is the way I'm going to be going. I'm going to be showing you guys a ton of fun planner stuff this year with the cinch, and then also with my planner partner that I'm going to be showing off pretty soon. And a sprocket. Talked about this in like the teen girls and the new moms video, but a sprocket is just like the cutest thing, the coolest thing to have when you want to print out a picture and give it away, or you want to print something and put it in a book, or print something and put it on a gift or whatever. I'll probably use the sprocket this year to do like the gift tags. I think that's a great idea. I'm gonna do gift tags with their sprocket picture. Cause sleeping masks, and you can put cute things on the sleeping masks. A nap time with your crew neck that you made them, a nap time basket with like a cozy blankie or something. Charcuterie with an etched name or a torched name. Again, I'll be showing you guys how to torch this year. There's lots of videos out there on how to torch, but we'll be using the Icon Art stencil maker, which just happens to be one of my sponsors for our 12 DIYs of giveaways. So you can actually win an Icon Art stencil maker in this series as well. Cozy blankie, and you can embroider or heat transfer or sublimate a cute name or saying onto it. A sublimated tumbler. We're going to be using the MakerFlow tumblers this year to demo everything because I made Canva templates for my members, and I have a video coming that's showing you how to use our Canva templates for your tumblers. But we're going to be doing hydro flasks and all the things that they offer. Here, shower steamers. I just want to make these for myself, but you could get all the ingredients to do shower steamers and give them away to all the girls in your life. The shower steamers will need like the eucalyptus oil, and I really love on Amazon that you can get your favorite ones in like the big old jars. The utility tote. I feel like the utility tote is like the tote is like the I'm putting it in every video because I think everybody needs a utility tote, but they have a bunch of cute colors on Amazon. You can put heat transfer vinyl on it on the outside, labeling what it's for, or you can just give it to put everything in because it's good for everything. A blinged umbrella. I have an umbrella that I've been wanting to bling forever, but if somebody were to gift me one, then I wouldn't have to do it myself. But a blinged umbrella, because umbrellas are just so cute, and if you use them in the sun, the bling would be super cute. Not the whole thing. Sorry, I should have explained myself. I got this black and white polka dotted umbrella, and it's the kind that like goes inward. It like, you know how umbrellas go boop? This one goes boop like that, so the water doesn't get all over you. And it's black with white polka dots, and I want to bling the polka dots. Silk pillowcases. That's good for our hair, it's good for our skin, it's good for all the things. At least I believe it is, because I've heard it 100 million times. So just keeps the frizz down on the hair, so a silk pillowcase is just always something women can use, and you could add it to a gift basket for the spa set. Or blinged AirPod case. I feel like you can bling anything for her and she's gonna love it, but a blinged AirPod case, I love these ones from Amazon. They're like faux leather, so you don't have to bling the whole thing. You can just pop a few different blings on it, and it's super cute, and it's a keychain, so if you're like me, I don't want to lose my AirPods, and I always misplace them, so I actually keep them hooked onto my purse, but these could be hooked onto your purse as well, and you could bling them subtly. Safe keychain, and you could bling it. I love this keychain, and I think that every woman and girl, teenager needs it in their life. It is really cute. It will get confiscated if you try to go through security with it though. Alright, so if you guys are watching in real time, we are currently raising money for CHI, and there are 12 gift idea videos, and as these are going live, my raffle is live. You can buy raffle tickets to win amazing prizes, things like laser cutters and Cricuts and heat presses and all the fun things, and I would love to have you be a part of it. I've got some amazing sponsors. I'm giving away quite a few things that I love and are some of my favorite things, so check down in the description if it's still live. If it's not, thank you if you were a part of it. If you're not, we'll be back next year doing it again, so join me. And then on Tuesday, Live Giving Tuesday, I will be doing a craft-a-thon, and we'll be crafting for 5 hours straight, making things and announcing all the winners of the 12 giveaway winners. All right, I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.